Hi everyone, it's Josh the Cindy Lou, aka Twin Twin Mom, and I'm here to show you. This was a last minute purchase because we realized that our light was broke in the bathroom. So I'm in the hall vanity, and this is the lighting that I bought. What we had up here was just white, and this is the oil rubbed bronze. It is a Hampton Bay. I got it at Home Depot. It was only $15 or less. And then we put LED lights so we'll never really have to change the lights. So, and it's more energy efficient as well. So we are really excited about that. But I just wanted to show you real quick. This was something that we weren't necessarily going to do, but when we realized that it was broken, that was something that we had to do. So this is all the information on it. Frosted swirl, and it is just, it's very nice looking. So if you are interested in a flush mount light for your bathroom, this might be something to consider. They also have it in nickel, I believe, or brush nickel, which is also very pretty. Thanks guys.